All right, we've made it through one chapter, chapter 1. We're now on to chapter 2, where chapter 2 is going to get us into some algebra stuff. In chapter 2, we're going to cover sections 2.1 through 2.3, and then 2.6 through 2.7. So we're going to skip a few in the middle there. But chapter 2 is all about equations and inequalities. We're going to start to solve for x, right? We're going to start off with some basic equations, maybe some one-step equations, and then we're going to get a little more exciting and do multi-step equations where we're going to have some fractions, we're going to have parentheses, we're going to have to do a little bit more in order to solve for x. We're also going to get a little bit into inequalities, less than, greater than, and we're going to see how we can use that in real life, some application problems. Just like we did in chapter 1, I need you to make sure that you go onto the modules and you print off your blank chapter 2 notes. You're going to follow the videos just like we did in chapter 1, filling out all the blanks, doing the examples with me, trying the problems before I try the problems, and then making sure that you submit the chapter 2 completed notes when you're done. Making sure that you follow the directions so you can ensure you get full credit on those completed notes. Remember, just like chapter 1, you can always test out of chapter 2. After watching all of the videos, you can take that pre-test. If you score really well on that pre-test, then you can test out of chapter 2 and move into chapter 3.